Have a great idea. Let's create a Candy Crush game with AI. It could revolutionize how players interact with puzzles and bring a fresh experience to the mobile gaming world.
Okay, so you have heard from our moderator. Let's build a game together. You are using Google AI Studio. Search for that on your search on your internet app or whatever you are using, Chrome or whatever. So I'm already on Google AI Studio to ask what's your idea. So I pasted that I want to create a mobile game that is like Candy Crush with its own unique feature that sets apart from other Candy Crush. And there was a suggestion, so I just took in the suggestion. It gave me a suggestion like, as to how to make it unique, and I just went ahead and took the suggestion. So once you are done with your prompt, just click on that circle on the lower right, and that's at that point it says run. So once you click on that circle, it starts running the coding. So it's already working on the coding at this point, and it takes a while. I think about it took me about six. No, it took me more than 6 minutes. So it got to a point where it's asking me to pick my theme. How do I want it to look? So this is one thing. It gave me like 4 or 5 suggestions of how I want the Candy Crush game to look. This is another. This is another. I like this. This is another. And this is another. So back to the one I saw before, this is another. So I went to the third one that I liked, and this is what I picked that I want the interface to be, and it just continued running. I clicked on it too, then it continued running. And voila, our game is ready. I think it took about 10 minutes. So our game is ready. Let's try it out. That blue button that says start or something, I can't see that clearly. And we can go ahead and play the game. So just like any other Candy Crush, you match the gems, the colors of the gems. You match, and then it has levels. It has the number of moves you can go to give you score. So this is just the basic. I have not done anything extra. This is just the basic of how it looks like. Don't forget, if you want it to be mobile, don't forget to add mobile at the point of your prompts. Don't forget to add mobile, because if you don't add mobile, it will not be mobile responsive. It will be like a site game, a game you can play on any site. So we have our game ready in like 10 minutes. I did this while I was in transit. I was in between locations, so it's not even hard. AI has made it easier, so you can get a developer to help you just put one or two things in place, or if not, just check the requirements on Google AI. The requirements for Google Store, Google Play Store, Apple Store, and see that your game meets up, and you can run it from there. You can run your game from there and pay some fees. I think for Google it is a one-time fee. For Apple it's a yearly fee. So your game is ready. You can really create anything with this AI within a short time. I did not do any coding. I know nothing about coding, next to nothing about coding. So this is your game. You can still tweak it. If you see the below, you will see chart preview. We are on the preview. This is the chart. So there are still suggestions for you. That was where you typed your first prompt. See, it is suggesting add lyric synergies, um guardian special abilities, visual feedback for combo. So you will see for audio, you will see for video the things you can add. Then you can add your own by yourself. Those are just suggestions from the app. So our app is ready. Our game app is ready. You can really just do a lot of things with this, and keep earning. All right, thank you, glad to share.